Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into OneDrive for automatic backup and recovery. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type www.onedrive.com and press enter. You will be taken to the OneDrive homepage. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign In button. Enter your Microsoft account email address in the provided field. Click on the Next button to proceed. You'll now be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes. After entering your password, click on the Sign In button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, you will see your OneDrive dashboard. Here, you can upload files, create folders, and set up automatic backups. To enable automatic backup, click on the Settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. In the Settings menu, look for the Backup tab. Click on Backup to open backup options. Select the folders you wish to automatically back up to OneDrive. Make sure to confirm your selection. After setting up backup preferences, click Save to apply your changes. Now, your selected folders will be backed up automatically to OneDrive. For recovery, navigate back to the OneDrive homepage. All your files will be displayed here. To recover a file, simply locate it in the list. Right-click on the file you wish to recover. Choose the Restore option from the context menu. Your file will now be restored to its original location. You have successfully logged into OneDrive and set up automatic backup and recovery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.